Hey guys, it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. So I have something so exciting for you guys today. I am going to be doing a Sailor Moon inspired makeup look. Yay! And I also have something very cool in this cute pink little bag here. So let me just pull maybe one at a time. And check that out. Ooh, they are actually Sailor Moon theme inspired makeup brushes. Oh my goodness. So here's one of them. Here's another. Look at that brush. And they are heavy. They're metal too. And you can get these on Amazon for, oh my goodness, so inexpensive. I think they're only like $11, $12, $13. Here's another one. This is a fan brush. And here is another brush. This is kind of like a blending brush sort of, but not really. Okay, so this is a blending brush. This has the moon on here. We got an angled brush with a cute heart on top. And they're not this, they're inspired, so they are not the same wand types as the actual Sailor Scouts. Some of them are, they're very, very similar, but they are different. And this is my favorite one right here. It has a gem on it, and then it's a brow brush, and I love brows, and then this one's my favorite one. I'm so excited. Okay, so let me give you a little more information about what I'm going to be doing today. Okay, so what I did is I put together a collab of all the Sailor Scouts and the majority of the Sailor Moon characters, and it's a collab for around, I think it's 10 or 11 girls. And some of us are doing video looks on them, so if you want to check out the video looks, look in my description box and check out the links below, because I will be tagging their videos from the collab as well. Each girl is doing their own Sailor Scout inspired makeup look. I am Chibiusa, aka Minnie Moon, aka Rini, aka Sailor Moon's daughter technically, and I picked her because my favorite color is pink, and I really, really like her outfit. Everyone is doing, as stated before, their own Sailor Scout look, all inspired by them. So do check out my Instagram, because if you're wanting to see the rest of the girls' looks, go ahead to my Instagram. I'm going to be doing shout outs for them, be linking their pictures within my Instagram blog, so you can see and follow them on Instagram as well and see the looks that they have done, because their looks that they have posted inspired. Some only wanted to do pictures, but oh my goodness, you should see their photos. They are so freaking amazing. You've got to head over to my Instagram. It's Adore Beauty by Jenny, and follow them and check out their Sailor Moon inspired look if you are a Sailor Moon fan. So let's go ahead and get started with my inspired look for Chibiusa. Okay guys, so if you haven't seen one of my videos in a while, welcome if you are new to my channel, so please subscribe, FYI. I'm first starting off with my Always P. Louise eye base, if you already know me, so that is what I always do first. You're going to want to take a beauty blender and blend that in your eyes. Alright, now that I have my eyes blended, I'm going to be using the SpongeBob palette to create this inspired eye look. And the first color that I'm going to actually be taking is this color called Wombo, and that is that beautiful pink color, by the way. I'm also going to be using my Sailor Moon brushes. Isn't this one so cute? And I'm just going to be going over the whole top of my eyelid and blending that pink color in. Once that eye is done, do the same thing to the other eye. Okay, next I will be taking this color called Penny Pincher. We're going to blend that right into our crease. After that's done, do the same thing to the other eye. Okay, so after we blended the color Penny Pincher, we are going to go back into this pink color right here called Wombo and re-blend over the top. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my makeup wipe right here and we are going to basically clean our eye look. So I'm going to cut this inner crease out like that. And then I'm going to swipe up like that. And you're going to do the same thing to the other eye. So close your eye. Cut inside your eyelid and then swoop up. Okay, so after you cleaned your crease, you are now going to put the Chibiusa base back over it. And the part that we cleaned, we're going to apply that on our eyelid. The reason why I cleaned it first with a baby wipe is because I'm actually going to put white on this inner corner here. And I don't want any pink to get mixed in. Do the same thing to the other eye. Okay, so I'm now going to be taking this color right here. It's like a champagne white and it's called Tree Dome. And we are going to be patting that color where we cut out our crease from the Chibiusa eye base. Alright, once that eye's done, do the same thing to the other eye. So next I'm going to use this brush right here. And I'm going to go into that pink color Wombo and I'm going to start patting that over the outer edge of the eye. Just like that. And then once that side is done, you're going to do the same thing to the other eye. Next, I'm going to take this gold color right here called Golden Pineapple. And I'm going to place that right here next to the pink. And do the same thing to the other eye. Okay, so next I'm going to do my bottom lid. So I'm going to go back into that color Wombo. And I'm just going to pat pink on the bottom of my lids. Do the same thing to the other side. Next I'm going back into that color Tree Dome. And I'm going to pat that going towards my inner corners of my eye. Okay, so I'm going to come back with my full face of makeup and you are going to see the final look in just a short few seconds. Okay guys, here is my final Chibiusa inspired makeup look. Let me know what you guys think of this look. I even curled my hair, tried doing a similar hairdo for the Chibiusa aka Mini Moon look right here, fighting for justice and evil. I shall punish you. If you've never seen the cartoon, you will know that Sailor Moon says that. So let me give you guys a close-up on this makeup look. Okay, so as you can see here, I did basically like a cut crease. I actually added a little bit of glitter on the yellow and I put a crescent moon on the center of my forehead. A wing eyeliner. For my lips, you guys, I am basically using the Winky Lux Flower Petal lip balm with a little bit of lip gloss, and it's the Jeffree Star the gloss. I think it's called Succulent. Is that what it's called? And I put that over my lips. So yeah, you guys, that is my final look for the inspired Sailor Moon collaboration. And then also let me know what you thought of the Sailor Moon inspired thing makeup brushes right here. And yes, you guys, so please subscribe for the power of the Sailor Scouts and the Moon. And then if you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please leave a comment below. And as always, I will see you guys all on the next one. Bye!